Today we're going to be reading Giraffe and Bird. I hope you enjoy. Let's begin. For all the little birds in my life. It's true that getting along can be difficult. If the bird could tell you, he'd say he can't stand the giraffe. And if the giraffe could tell you, he'd say he can't abide the bird. The bird, you see, makes funny faces at the giraffe. And the giraffe sticks his long tongue at the bird. This makes the bird twitter in the giraffe's ear. Tweet, tweet, tweet. That makes the giraffe invade the bird's personal space. Some days the giraffe has bad breath. Other days the bird eats too many berries which are in high fiber. Frequently, the giraffe makes loud noises when he chews his food with his mouth open. Often, the bird slurps up a slimy worm in front of the giraffe. Sometimes the bird prunes his feathers just above the giraffe's head. Sniffle, sniffle, that makes the giraffe sneeze. Every time the giraffe lets out a sneeze, the bird blown right off the telephone wire. And every time the bird is blown off the telephone wire, he flies up to the perch right on the giraffe's horns. When the bird perches on the giraffe's horns, the giraffe swats him with his ears. When the giraffe swats him with his ears, the bird pecks him with his beak. The pecking makes the giraffe shake his head until they're both dizzy. Dizzy and woozy, they both tumble to the ground. One day, Giraffe loses his patience and shouts at the bird, "Scram, bird!" Then the bird gets up and fed and shouts back at the giraffe, "Get lost, giraffe!" So they do. At that night, there was a seriously scary storm. All the telephone poles crashed to the ground. The giraffe wishes he could hide under the bird's feathers so he wouldn't see the lightning. The bird wishes he could hide under the giraffe's ears so he wouldn't hear the thunder. Bang, crack, boom. The next next morning, the bird feels glum. He has nowhere to sit and no one to pick and peck. The giraffe feels lonely. There is no one around to pester and perturb him. With no one around to pester him, the giraffe has to think. The funny thing is all about the giraffe. Can think about is the bird. The giraffe agrees to help the telephone company for a while. He doesn't have to wait long for the bird to return. He also doesn't have to wait long again for the bird to start making faces again. Dip-poo, some mac, so what, peck, peck, slur, tweet, flap, tweet, the Hawaii. Now true that these two are getting along can be difficult. And if you ask these two, the giraffe might still say he can't abide the bird. And the bird might still say he can't stand the giraffe. But we know better. And that is the end of the book. I hope you enjoyed. We're gonna upload more books later. Bye for now.